Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Ford Escape. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Next, position the assisting vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles do not touch. Finally, turn off both vehicles and engage their parking brakes to prevent any accidental movement. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Ford Escape's dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal part on your Ford Escape's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start your Ford Escape. Begin by starting the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After waiting, try to start your Ford Escape. If it starts, let it run for several minutes to ensure the battery receives enough charge to keep the vehicle running. Once your Ford Escape is running, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. Start by removing the black clamp from your Escape's grounding point, then the black clamp from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the red clamp from the assisting vehicle, and finally, the red clamp from your Ford Escape. Drive your Ford Escape for at least 30 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. Remember to check the description below for the link to that fantastic Owala water bottle, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.